I'm George McCraney, personal injury attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. Today I wanted to answer a question that we had, and let me read you that question. It says, can an attorney fight my 50-50 at-fault accident if I obtained injuries? And then the details of it. It says, my daughter and I were involved in an accident where I was traveling north through an intersection as another car wanted to turn left. As I came through the intersection on a yellow light, the car turning left turned into me. The other car was cited for failure to yield, turning left, and witnesses gave statements that the other driver failed to yield. And these statements are in the incident report, or in the police report. It says, when I attempted to go through the other driver's insurance company, they deemed me 50-50 at fault, putting major emphasis on the yellow light and only volunteered to pay half of my daughter's medical expenses. Also, as a result, I had to go to my own insurance company for myself, injuries, and for property damage. My car is a total loss and my insurance is still investigating. I have 3 bulging discs in my lower back as well as 2 in my neck. I feel like the other insurance company is getting off easy. All right, well, I've got good news for you. The short answer is yes, an attorney can fight this. This type of thing happens every day when you're dealing with insurance companies. Now, first, this is my recommendation. First, take care of your medical needs and your daughter's medical needs. Take care of that first. Treat your injuries. Go get medical help. Don't delay. Go ahead and do that. All right? Getting better for you and your daughter should be your first priority. All right? Now, second, the insurance company, the other driver's insurance company, they don't get to deem you. They don't get to say or deem you 50-50 at fault. All right? That's not what they do. They don't get that power. They don't have that power. If the case went to trial, the jury is the one that determines fault, okay? Not the insurance company. Now, that's very important. Now, third thing is because you don't have an attorney to represent you in this case, the insurance company is not going to take you seriously. They're never going to treat you fairly. All right? They understand that you're not represented, you don't have an attorney, and they're going to take advantage of that. Now, they're never going to give you a fair settlement. They might deny your claim completely, all right? Or they might lowball you on a settlement. All right? That's sort of what you're looking at. So this happens all the time to people that try to represent themselves. Now, fourth and finally, in Georgia, there are cases and statutes that address this exact type of question, and an experienced accident attorney or personal injury attorney knows it. The insurance company knows it, okay? So until you're represented by an attorney, the insurance company will either put you off or lowball your claim or deny your claim. All right. Now remember, in Georgia, you only have 2 years from the date of the accident to file a lawsuit for you and your daughter's personal injury, okay, for your injuries. Now that goes from the date of the accident or from the date that you discovered those injuries. All right. It's called the statute of limitations. So there's a 2-year statute of limitations. So don't let the insurance company jerk you around and put you off until the statute of limitations runs because you've only got the 2 years to file a lawsuit. All right, get an attorney that's experienced to help you now. There should be no fee up front. There should be no consultation fee. This is the way we do it. There should be no consultation fee involved and no upfront expenses for you to pay. Okay? Now, the attorney should work on a contingency fee basis. That means that if you don't recover money damages, the attorney gets no money. Okay? So you have to win for that attorney to get paid, and that's the way it's done, and that's the way it should be done. So you shouldn't be paying anything up front. But in this type of situation, the insurance company does not get to say, you're 50-50 at fault. They don't get to make that choice. That's not something they do. You need an attorney to fight for you. That's what you need. We appreciate the question. I'm George McCraney, personal injury attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. If you have a question, feel free to call us at 833-927-6227, and we'll help you get the answers you need. You can also go online to McCraney.com and request a copy of my book, After the Crash. And it goes through an accident case. It helps you with understand what's going on. But as good as the book is, it doesn't replace going and consulting with an attorney. So if you'd like a free copy of the book, go on McCraneyLawFirm.com, fill out the form. We'll be glad to send you one. We also have other videos there that you can watch to get more information if you've been injured in an accident. Thank y'all.